So we have just finished traveling. We just got to our hotel. It is very convoluted, to say the least. But we're gonna head out and get some food because we're very hungry. We didn't actually stop properly for lunch. We stopped for like 15 minutes at this place that had some food, but it wasn't like actual lunch because again it was 15 minutes. So we're gonna go and get some food. Hello, hello!
So we have just come to the Sunday Walking Streets in Phuket town.
We're very excited. We missed it last time we were here.
Yeah, so we've just parked kind of around the corner. We're gonna head on in now. We drove past it. It is really busy.
It's huge as well.
And huge, yeah. So we're really excited.
Yeah, lots of food. Oh wow! Check that out. There you go. Oh yeah, it's a whole like park, isn't it? Loads and loads of things everywhere. Some hats over there. Some crochet stuff here.
That's so cool.
That looks like really tight crochet as well.
Oh, it will be.
Some jewelry and stuff here. Socks. Oh,
we'll get some later.
That, yeah. People are still setting up. Ooh, barbecue. She's had it stuffed down her shirt.
I know. Okay, so
Oh, the
fried coconut.
Yeah, something steamed in a banana leaf.
So we've got this katsu from a little stand.
50 baht.
Yeah, not bad. It was pretty good. This is still going on. They actually haven't started doing their performance that they said they were going to do yet. I'm not really sure.
It was like 15 minutes ago that they're going to start.
But yeah, we're just enjoying our katsu here and just waiting. Just ordered, what have we ordered?
Smoothies, fruit smoothies.
But what have we ordered?
So you got a watermelon one, I got a pineapple one.
Yeah. So there's blending right now. I'm so ready. It's so refreshing to have when you're hot.
Yeah.
And here is my watermelon one in a little bag. We're just waiting for Jay's now.
Woo!
This is Jay's pineapple one.
If I can get it out, there you go.
Oh, I can smell it.
Ooh.
Right?
Okay.
Okay, ready to try it?
Mmm.
Is it good?
Yeah. You can taste the pineapple in it.
Nice. You've got a few designer-esque bucket hats here.
This one's
a fluffy one.
This one's apparently Dior, and then that one is supposed to be Fendi.
There's a fluffy one.
Oh yeah, I love that. There's a Prada one here as well. So we just found this random t-shirt shop, and then the thing you can see is moving. Are these fake or are these real? They're real.
I think they're real, yeah.
They're real.
3 for 100. Real packs, not even fake.
It's alright, isn't it?
Packs just to like live forever.
No, they just don't need much water.
More fruit shakes there. Some fabrics. Okay, maybe.
We can do it. Okay.
Yeah, go on.
Ooh. So you can see right here some of the soap carving we were talking about back in Krabi. It's so cool, and here you can see it is so intricate.
So we've just come back to our hotel. We walked up and down the whole thing, didn't we?
The walking street, yeah. We walked down. So we walked up and down the Sunday Walking Street.
That's in Phuket town.
Yeah.
It was so busy. It was like ridiculously busy.
It was really packed.
It was at points you'd have to stop and just wait for people to go past. Which, you know, the thing is, because it's just down one street, there's only little pavement bits for people to go on, and then the bit that made it really busy, there were some shops along the street as well that was open.
Yeah, just like regular shops.
Yeah, I think shops that are there kind of. Yes, there's a lot of shops there that's actually there like permanently, and they're open. They're open all along the street as well. So there's people going in the shops, down the street, up the street, everything. But the market is actually way more extensive than we thought it was. We thought it was like mainly food and like bits here and there.
There's a lot of like maker stuff as well. There's a lot of like kind of being made.
Loads of artwork as well, which was really nice. We tried to capture as much as we could, but again, it was just so busy. I acted like a girl ran into the camera by accident when I was holding it at one point. It was shut, so I think she was okay, but like, it's just things like that that's really easy to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've just come back to the hotel. We've got a few bits that we got from the market.
Do you want to show them?
Yeah, I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, we're just gonna cool down, chill out a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the other night market that's just outside of Phuket town. It's the Naka market, and it's actually a weekend one, so I think it's Friday to Sunday. I think that's how it usually is. So first thing is this pink fan. It's really sparkly.
It's got some, oh god, it's got some bits of like gold in it.
I'm not sure how clear it is. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
There you go, and it's all flowery, so I really like that. This was 89 baht. So yeah, I just got it because we've got a little electric one, but sometimes when it runs out of battery, can't have time to go and charge it. So
I sometimes prefer these ones, to be honest.
yeah,
so like they generate more wind.
It's really nice. No, you don't show that.
Oh.
It's next to me.
Oh. Don't need that one then. So.
How does it feel with the aircon as well?
It feels good. So next thing we got are these two little coin purse thingies.
Yeah. So this one's mine.
That one's yours, this one is mine. I got it in red. And it's got some elephants on it.
We literally just got these to replace the ones that we have, because what we've got works, but it's a bit small. So we've just got this to be a little bit bigger.
This is just loose cuts of other material.
From other purses.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it looks decently made. I mean it's only to hold money, so it's not going to go through like hard punishment or anything. Yeah,
these we got in a deal for 3 for 100, and we got this little. It's a little candle
and incense.
Some incense. Do you want to show it closely? It's some incense, and it's got a little holder as well, which is really cute.
It's very, very nice.
Yeah. So those 3 things we got for 100 baht, which was really good.
Really, really good actually.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're gonna cool off. I'm probably gonna change my shirt, and then we're gonna head out to the other market. So we are now back at the hotel. We actually spent quite a while in the Phuket weekend nights market. Or otherwise known as Naka Market. Yeah. It's really big. It's huge. Yeah. It's very easy to lose yourself in. There is pretty much everything there that you could want. It's just whether or not you can find it. Yeah, each is like it's kind of like a maze almost, because you kind of it's not set out kind of in squares. And you have aisles as well though, and each one connects to the other. Yeah, and they all actually have like labels at the top of the corridors for like G7, G5. But you can't find that on the map, so you know we've lost our friends there before trying to figure out where they are.
and we've just had to kind of share locations and just trying to walk
Yeah.
around and find each other until we can. So it's really easy to get lost, so just bear that in mind. But otherwise, it's a really big, extensive market. We
definitely recommend it.
We filmed kind of like as much as we could, just because it's really busy as well. But yeah, so today we went to the Sunday Walking Street Market and the Phuket Weekend Night Market, or Naka Market. But yeah, we definitely recommend going to both of them if you're here
Absolutely.
in Phuket. I mean, and we went to both in one day as well. They both open from 4 p.m. and shut at 10 p.m. So that is quite a lot of time, and
both
they're both close to each other.
Yeah, I mean the other one. I mean once COVID rules start lifting even more, then they'll probably start opening until probably around 12. It's when they used to close, isn't it?
I don't actually know when this one used to close.
Do you not?
No, It just depends. Either way, 4 to 10 p.m.
very
6
easily.
hours.
Very easily done.
Yeah, like super easy. Both are extremely extensive markets,
And both are also very unique as well. So they're not super similar to each other. Like there's different food at both markets. There's different things at both markets. You know, they are both very unique in their own way.
There's usually, from what we've seen, always live music at Naka Market as well. So I think it's a really nice, enjoyable. It's really enjoyable to go get some food, sit down, chill. You know, and there's
Definitely.
usually like young kids performing as well, which is always, it's always so cute. And some of them, you know,
they're actually really good. Like one of the girls that we saw performing was in like a band with what we think were her cousins, siblings,
family. I think it was family members.
We think,
yeah,
they were
cute.
They were actually really good as well.
Yeah, so it's always nice to see, you know, like different things going on and stuff.
Definitely.
So we definitely recommend going to both markets. Yeah, we hope you liked the video.
And if you have, be sure to go down below, hit the like button, and if you enjoyed the content, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, you'll never miss a video from us. Until next time, we will see you very soon.